Are you considering a backyard makeover? Are you wondering if there's enough time to get the project done this summer? We have created this video so that you can see a project from start to finish with all the bells and whistles. Our 3D designs will allow you to see exactly what your project is going to look like. We've transformed this family's backyard into an oasis in a matter of weeks. Are you ready to vacation in your backyard? Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you want to see more clients talking about their experience dealing with us, please click or tap up here. If you'd like to see our latest video, please click or tap over here. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.